So if you're done with this, create a new folder here. Create a new folder with the name images. On the left side, create a new folder with the name images. And within this folder, I want you to copy the image that you're gonna use. So I'm copying this image to this folder. That is so cool. So where's my folder images? So just do what I did now. Create a new folder images and copy your image to this folder. And copy your image to this folder. Let me know once you're done. If you're done with this, open your pubspec.yaml file. Open this file again. Go to line number 48. Do you see assets? Do you see something as assets? I want you to uncomment this section. I want you to uncomment this section. Just uncomment. Remove one line. This is not needed. And just change the name here. It's images profile.jpg, right? I'm just changing this to profile.jpg. Once this is done, do flutter pubget again. Let me know once you've done this. Once you've created this folder images and copied your file there, go to your pubspec.yaml, go to line number 48 and uncomment this block. Uncomment this block. Once you've uncommented, add this there. Like to images, add this profile.jpg thing, this file there. I want you to add a reference to this file there. If you are worried about the indentation, just look at this one. Look at line 45. Make sure that the indentation is the same. Make sure it falls on the same line. Let me know once you have finished this step. So if you have finished that, go to your container. I have it in line number 19. Go to your container. I want you to add something called as decoration there. Add decoration. That will take a box decoration, right? So in box decoration, you have something called as just give me a minute, image. So this will take just give me this decoration image. Yeah, this one decoration image. So this will take an image that is an asset image. Name of my asset is images profile.jpg. Let me see what happens. Okay, let me know if you got an output like this. I will explain what I did now. But yeah, Sneha, adding it in the YAML file, right? Yeah, have you finished adding it in the YAML file? You can ignore this now. I will explain this again. Have you added it to your YAML file? Yeah, so go to container. The container will take something called as a decoration, okay? Type in decoration. This will take a box decoration. This will take a box decoration. Now open the box decoration. Over here, we are going to set an image, right? Type in image. This will give you a prompt. Just hit image, hit enter. Now image will take something called as a decoration image. This is it, decoration image. So just create a new line to avoid confusion. Create a new line. Okay. So in this image, type in the path. Okay. So what's the path? It's images slash profile.jpg, right? That's where I have my image. Profile.jpg. You can have a PNG. That's okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, this image will take something called as an asset image. I'm sorry about that. Asset image. Yeah. So in the asset name, I want you to type images profile.jpg. So this is what you're supposed to do. We made this change now. The decoration will take a box decoration that will take an image. So in the place of image, give a decoration image. The decoration image will take another image. In that place, given an asset image and type in the location of your image file. So this is what you have to do now. Let me know once you've done. If you have done that, just hot reload, you will see Vivian's image there or whatever image you have set there. We'll see how to scale it in a while, but yeah, just let me know once you've done up to this part. Okay, so this is what we did today. Uh, okay, I think people have exams. I'll just wind it up today. I'll say what changes I've done so that we can finish it for now. So I have added these three attributes in addition to the image. It's fit, alignment, and color filter. I'll say what they are. So fit is the same, like what it essentially means. If your image or wallpaper is set பண்ணீங்க, what will you do? You will either stretch the image or you will set it like a carousel, something like that, right? Over here, I'm using this fit width, which means that the image will fit to its width. I mean, let's say if the height is small and the width is large, then it will fit to the width. That's what I've done. You have a few other options as well. To know them, just do control plus click on this. You will see what kind of options you have. You have fill, you have contain, you have cover, you have fit width, you have fit height. I use this one, fit width now. But yeah, there are a few other options. There is none, there is scale down. There are like plenty of options. I would say just go and check them out individually. Just type them out individually and see what kind of outputs you get. I'm going with something called as fit width here. And the next one is alignment dot top center. What this means, let's say you have a very long picture, okay? You have a long picture, maybe a standing picture of you. So if you try to run this application without this line, you might see the middle half, something like that. Do you see there is some displacement? You might see the middle half of yourself. Let's say no, I need to just see the top half of me. You can use something called as the alignment. You can use the alignment parameter and adjust it. I'm going with top center, which means that I want to see the top portion of Bibian, like not the center of the or the bottom. I want to see the head of Bibian. So I can go with something called as top center that will essentially show you only the top portion and the center portion of the picture. So that's alignment. Next one, I've used something called as color filter. This might be a bit confusing, but just go with the flow. Color filter is nothing but, let's say I have an image and I want to make a color overlay. I want to make a color overlay above this image. So what I can do is use this color filter attribute and I'm setting this color. I'm setting this color black 38. That is a less dense black with an opacity of 50%. With an opacity, what's opacity? Opacity is the transparency, right? So 50% means your color is 50% transparent. So I'm setting a 50% transparency and I'm using something called as a blend mode. Let's not confuse with that. Let's not confuse. Like there are few different types of blending modes which you have, but just go with this for now. Just go with BSDA top. Do not confuse what this means. This is the default one. So just go with this. You will get an output like this.